Okay guys, how's it going? So I think this is part 5 of the Toro mower repair. In the previous part, you saw me put it all back together and start it up. And I just had it out to start it up again to make sure it's still working well. And I noticed one of the wheels was a little wobbly. The back left wheel, as you can see, it's off right now over there. I'll show you what's wrong with it. But basically what happened, and this happened before I got it, but the inside here of the wheel broke off, so it was just kind of riding in there real loose. So I'll probably end up replacing that. I need to get a new wheel for it, obviously. But anyways, yeah, so this video is mainly just going to be time-lapse of changing the oil and sharpening the mower blade. I was looking on the side here, and I think I saw it said it uses somewhere it says SA30 on it, but yeah, so it uses SA30 engine oil, which I believe I have some. I might have to get a Tractor Supply, I'm not sure. Let's see here. NW30. Aha, here we go. We'll use up this SA30 here first, though. Since it's not, and since it's been opened, then we'll, if we need it, we'll get into the Valvoline SA30. But let's turn on the lights here. Our workbench. Okay. And we also need a funnel. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go out here and drain the oil out. So we'll use just a regular oil pan down there and some cardboard. So, here we go.
Is it madness?
Okay guys, so as you saw, we just got the oil drained out. It was a little bit of a mess, but we had cardboard down. Just leave that there. There's still oil on the bottom, by the way. But it was a little bit of a mess, but we got it cleaned up. Definitely having a drain plug on the bottom of the mower is easier than tipping it up and draining out the side there, or out of the dipstick. So now what we gotta do is just fill it up, and these motors take about 20 ounces, I believe, of oil. But we'll just fill it up until it's in the safe operating range on the dipstick. So here we go. Bye.